It's me. Hi, I'm the problem Daisy. Many customers will ask how we produce signs, so let me show today. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the follow button. Let's go. The first step, receive and confirm the site. After you track your logo and the site, we will send renderings and give you creation quickly. If you have any changes, you can adjust freely. Only when you pray, we will arrange production. The second step, cutting. Through laser cutting, metal or acrylic, the accuracy and production efficiency of the product will be greatly improved. Machines are chosen carefully. We insist using good machines to make signs too. Then, add folding and welding because there are many customized signs, so these two kinds of machines will be used often. Machines have a strict working process, so you don't need to worry about the quality. Now comes the grading. Through grading, the surface roughness can be reduced. Dimensional accuracy increases. It can also improve the material properties, wear and corrosion resistance. After grinding, it's surface sparing. Through sparing, the process of making signs is more efficient. Most importantly, this method can uniform the surface and the final product will have a better glowing effect. Next is the model installation. Now we use models with 3-year warranty and IP65 waterproof level. And we are still looking for more high quality and guarantee models and strips to provide the best experience for every customer. Last week, we came to Guangzhou International Lighting Exhibition to find high quality models and strips. Believe we will apply some soon. Finally, quality inspection and packing. Every sign will be cleaned in all directions and checked for cracks and others. When all finished, it will be packed like this. All signs will hand it over to customers after being checked at all levels. We have nearly 40 years experience on the manufacturing. We are trying our best to provide better service, making more detailed and accurate. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit the follow and like button. If you already have some ideas, contact us now by email to get what you want. See you next time.